all are you good? So today let me start GK Unit 1, the natural world, chapter number 1, life of a plant. Okay, so we all know plants are very important part of our lives. We all must be always in depth to plants. Let us see how much we know about plants. ठीक है, तो हम जो है plants के बारे में कितना जानते हैं. So write T for true and F for false. Okay. Now number 1. Water lily grows in plants. No. Water lily तो water में होता है ना, तो this is false. Number 2. Plants grow in plain are called terrestrial plants. That's true. Number 3. Cone bearing trees are called conifers. Cone bearing trees means जैसे cone होती है इस तरह से, ठीक है, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? conifers बोलते हैं. Yes, true. Next one. Number 4. Deodar tree grows in water. No. पानी में नहीं, बहुत बड़े बड़े होते हैं देवदार ट्री. False. Number 5. A coconut palm can give 300 to 450 nuts each year. A coconut palm can give 300 to 450 nuts each year. Yes, true. Number 6. People tree has long span of life. People tree, yeah. Yes. Number 7. The world's main plant like wheat, barley, rice, millet and corn are grasses. World's main plant like wheat, barley, rice, millet and corn are grasses. Yes, true. They are not tree. छोटे छोटे होते हैं ये केवल. Plants of lotus have small leaves. कमल का जो फूल है उसकी छोटी होती है पत्तियां. No, बड़ी बड़ी होती है उसकी. तो duckweed is an aquatic plant. Yes, true. And the last one, mosses grow in damp and moist areas and can thrive on all sides of the shady trees. Yes, true. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 2. Buzz, fuzz. We find various types of insect around us. Look at the pictures. Read the description and write the names of these unique insect. ये कौन कौन से इंसेक्ट हैं ये हमें बताना है. अच्छा है, यहाँ पे क्लू बॉक्स भी है. So let me start. Number 1. These insects gather together in large swarms. They consume green leaves and grass blades during night time. So these all are locusts. Number 2. This insect glow to catch its prey. It is neither a fly nor a worm. It is a beetle. So this is firefly. These are firefly. Number 3. It is a plant eater and can jump more than 1 meter in a single go. Plant eater and can jump. It is a grasshopper. Number 4. Its female dips its abdomen in water and the eggs sink in it. It is a dragonfly. Number 5. It is the worker which turns nectar into honey. B. Madhumakhi. Number 6. Hoverfly. Also called flower fly, this insect can fly backwards, sideways, up or down. It appears aggressive. It is hoverfly. These insects build the largest insect nest in the world. They feed on wood and dead plant material. Termite. Number 8. It is a dangerous insect found in Australia. It is usually active during the night. Okay, so it stings its prey a number of times, injecting venom. तो लाल चींटी है शायद. This is bulldog ant. Number 9. It is a butterfly-like insect active during the night. So it is a white ermine. This one. Okay. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 3. Save us, please. Some animal species face an extremely high risk of extinction in the immediate future. Write their names using clues from the box. Okay, number 1. Just about 40-50 individuals of this species live in a protected area in Indonesia and less than 10 in Vietnam. So, poaching is largely responsible for its declining numbers. So, these are German rhinoceros. Let me check. Yes, Javan rhinoceros. Number 2, an animal mostly found in Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Due to hunting and use of pesticides, it has become endangered. These are African wild ass. African wild ass. Number 3, also known as the screw-horn antelope. It lives in several areas in the Sahara Desert. It eats grass and leaves. Less than 500 of this species are left in the wild. So these are the Great Indian Bustard. Great Indian Bustard. Number 4. It is a crocodile-like reptile with a long, narrow snout which it uses to catch fish. So it is found in the Indian subcontinent, particularly in India, Bangladesh and Nepal. So these are the gharial. This bird was discovered by Thomas C. Jefferson in 1848. Okay, it is a nocturnal bird found only in the eastern Ghats of Andhra Pradesh in India. It is now critically endangered. So these are the adapts. These are the adapts. This bird is found in India, Nepal and some other countries. It eats the flesh of dead animals. Okay? The species is close to extinction. So these are the red-headed vulture. This. Red-headed vulture. It is a member of the horse family. It lives in the arid regions of northeastern Africa. Particularly in Eritrea, Ethiopia, and Somalia, only a few hundreds are left in the wild. So these are the genus Corsair. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 4. So the chapter is only for reading. Okay. So let me start. Strange deep sea creatures. The VD sea dragon. Number 1. Of Australia is a sea horse, but it looks like a piece of flapping sea wood. So, okay. Number 2. Siphonophores are colonies of tiny creatures that live in the deep oceans. They string themselves together in lines and glow, so they look like faint lights. And then number 3. Flashlight fish have light organs made by billions of bacteria which shine like headlights. Okay, so the fish can suddenly block off these lights and change direction in the dark to confuse predators. In the next one, in the Arab-Israel War of 1967, a shoal of flashlight fish was mistaken for enemy frogman. Okay, and blown right out of the water. Next one is hatchet fish. Have giant eyeballs that point upward so they see prey from below and silhouettes against the surface. Next one, the kerate octopod looks like a jelly because its skin is 95% water. Next one, deep sea anglerfish. Deep down in the ocean, deep sea anglerfish live deep down in the ocean where it is pitch dark. So they lure prey into their mouths using a special fishing rod like fin spine with a light at its tip. Viper fish shines in the dark thousands of meters down and like a jet airliner at night with rows of lights along their bodies. The sleeper shark lives in the freezing depths of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans. This shark is 6.5 meter long but very slow and sluggish. So these are the different types of fishes, deep sea creatures. Okay, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. Water plants. These plants live in water. Read the clues, look at the pictures and write their names. है ना? The words in the help box are given as clues. Number 1. These giant sea plants are actually species of large brown algae found in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, and in the southern oceans near South America, South Africa, and Australia. So they grow in dense areas known as kelp forests, which are home to many water animals. So these are the giant kelp. Number 2, this free-floating perennial aquatic plant is native to tropical South America. It has feathery, freely hanging purple-black roots and beautiful purple and pink flowers. It grows vigorously and can double its population in 2 weeks. So these are the water hyacinth. Okay. Number 3, this floating plant has huge spongy leaves without stems and roots hanging submerged beneath the floating leaves. So they are found in nearly all tropical and subtropical freshwater bodies. So this is the water cabbage. Number 4, these floating plants have small flowers with 5 yellow or white petals. Some species of these plants are aquatic weeds. So this is floating heart. Floating heart. Number 5, this free floating water plant grows commonly in stagnant water. It is an aggressive invader that may kill other plants in the habitat by blocking sunlight. These are the duckweed. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. Plant fact. So this chapter only for reading. There are trees all around us. Some we can identify instantly. Some are harder to name. Read some amazing fact about these trees. Tree grows up then down. The banyan tree has aerial roots which grow down from the tree's branches, eventually forming new trunks. Okay, thus it is a tree that grows down after having grown up. Ancient plants. Fossils of the ginkgo tree date back some 160 million years. It first appeared at the time of the dinosaurs. The seed kernel is considered as a delicacy in China. The extract from the bark and roots is a popular tonic. So the tree itself is planted for its colorful display of bright yellow to golden leaves. Okay, next one, Mickey Mouse. So cute, na? Ochna Sarulata has yellow flowers in the early summer, followed by clusters of small black berries. This one, as the berries follow the base of the flower, the clusters begin to resemble Mickey Mouse, and thus its common name is Mickey Mouse plant. So cute. The tree of death. The bunya tree has large spiny cones that can weigh up to 15 pounds. These cannonball sized cones can fall without warning from the 80 feet tall trees with enough force to cause injury or even death to the unwary person. मतलब ऊपर से जो गिरती हैं इसकी leaves or animal below. Ironically, the cones contain tasty and highly nutritious nuts. 2 leaves are plenty. Welwitschia mirabilis, a plant found growing on the sandy desert plains of the southwest Africa, has only 2 leaves, leathery and flat, so they can stretch almost 6 feet from their woody base. The chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Fauna fact. So this chapter also for reading. Turkey hens lay only about 12 eggs a year. An ant can lift 50 times its own weight, which is like you lifting a lorry. The smallest fish are dwarf gobies. They can be small as 9 millimeters. The smallest dog in the miniature Yorkshire Terrier, it weighs less than 500 grams. The heaviest dog is Saint Bernard. Its weight reaches up to 90 kg. The butterfly was originally called a flutterby. A South African river bird's nest is about 4 meter deep and 7.5 meter long. Okay, next one. Elephants eat up to 150 kg of food per day. Okay, they also drink about 180 liters of water a day. एक दिन में. Next one. Dolphin always sleep with one eye open. एक आँख हमेशा खुली रहती है जब भी वो सोती है. Because bamboo has such a low nutritional value, pandas may eat up to 15 kg of stems and leaves in a single day. Honeybees indicate to each other the sight of a rich food source such as nectar laden flowers by dancing. The world's longest insect in the giant stick insect of Indonesia, which grows up to a length of 33 centimeters. So everyone, the chapter of all these units are completed here. I hope you all are very well understanding these chapters. So we will meet you the next class.